If I had to lose 100 pounds in 2025, here's exactly what I do. If you've struggled to lose weight, felt stuck, or don't know where to get started, this video is for you. But first, if you're new here, I'm Lacey. I haven't just lost weight once, I've lost 50 to 80 pounds 5 different times before and after having kids. Last year, I wrote down exactly how I'd lose 100 pounds in 2024. In this video, I'm gonna provide you with a complete plan for how to accomplish this goal. And it's gonna be in a methodical, healthy, and science-backed way. But this year, I wanna go deeper and I wanna show you exactly how I do it, step by step, in real life. The first time I lost weight, I cut my calories down to about 1,100 calories a day, tracked everything, did high intensity cardio daily, and actually lost 50 pounds in 8 months. I went from 210 pounds to 160 pounds for my wedding. But then life happened, I had my first baby, and I gained it all back, and then some. I really didn't want to go back to cutting out all of my food again to lose weight. I was so stressed over every calorie. I was terrified I wouldn't be full. I had zero energy and I was constantly at war with my food. But I didn't know any better and I was again desperate to lose weight, so I did it again. Then after having my third kid, Hunter, I refused to do crash diets or extremes anymore. I needed to find a way that wasn't just about losing weight, but was also about keeping it off too. And ideally being happy with my lifestyle in the process. So through trial and error, I realized it came down to 3 important things: macros, movement, and mindset. What you eat is 80% of the battle. So to lose 100 pounds in a year, I wouldn't overcomplicate food or jump into extreme calorie deficits or cut out entire food groups. That's where so many of us fail. At some point, you need to eat and you're gonna return to the lifestyle that you enjoy. So how would I do this? I'd focus on high protein meals that keep me fuller longer. I'd track every meal and snack to ensure I'm following a sustainable plan. I'd meal prep at least twice a week so I don't have to think about food choices. I'd focus on simple, whole food ingredients that are easy to prepare. Tracking macros really helps because it enables me to work towards hitting a number and keeps me from feeling like I'm being deprived. I have a video for how to track macros linked in the description as well if you need some help getting started. That would take care of my calories in, but what about my calories out? That's where the second M comes in, movement. Strength training and walking are my non-negotiable movements. I'd schedule 3 to 4 heavy strength training sessions of about 45 to 60 minutes per week, focusing on progressive overload. That means I'd push myself to increase reps or weight with every set. Building muscle was one thing I never did when I was younger losing weight. And it's why I never had any energy and I constantly had to eat less and less in order to lose weight. With muscle, you burn more calories and you get to eat more. And learning that has been a game changer.
Next, I would do my absolute best to walk every single day. Walking is very underrated and getting 8,000 to 10,000 steps every day is a game changer. I have a whole video on why I love walking. I'll leave the link for it in the description so you can check it out too.
I'd also need to focus on my recovery by taking rest days, drinking lots of water, and prioritizing my sleep. Though, even if I nailed my macros and my movement, the final M could stop me in my tracks. Mindset is where most people fail. Not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't believe they can. I remember stepping on the scale after 3 weeks of doing everything right. I was so excited to see how much progress I had made, but the number hadn't moved. I thought, what's the point? I might as well have eaten all the food I wanted to over those 3 weeks and not worked out at all. I had to learn through a lot of trial and error. The weight loss isn't about being motivated, being perfect, or really wanting it. It's about habits, consistency, and patience, and being okay with the process. That's why I would pay attention to things beyond the scale to ensure that I would lose 100 pounds. I'd take progress photos, I'd measure my strength gains, I'd see how my clothes were feeling, monitor my energy levels, and pay attention to my mood. I worked with a client who would give up every time she felt she had failed, even if the failure was as simple as not getting her workout in because she was tired. It took working with her for a few months for her to see that she was actually making progress even though the scale wasn't yet budging. And then the weight finally started to drop and she made a ton of progress after getting past that mental barrier of what she thought progress would look like. If I could go back and talk to myself the first time I lost weight, I'd say this: stop chasing shortcuts. Stop those diet pills and lose weight fast gimmicks. Just focus on getting 1% better every day and you'll get there. It's simpler than you think. And believe it or not, you can actually enjoy the process along the way. This isn't about losing weight, it's about becoming the kind of person who shows up for herself every single day. and that starts now. If you're serious about losing weight but don't know where to start, I can help. I work with people one-on-one to build a plan that fits their life. No extreme diets, just real strategies that work. Apply for coaching today. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.